Android21 here, ready to gobble you up whole. So, a lot of you have been asking me to do one of these reaction videos. So, I found this little video called Beerus vs. Android21. I'm sure it will be most delicious and exciting because any video with me in is the most delicious of all. I've left a link to the original video, just so you guys can taste this video for yourselves. It makes sense, Bucka! I like to eat things, okay? Here we go. Ooh, that looks yummy. Oh, he's not gonna try and steal my cupcake, is he? You better not, or I'll devour you too. What was that just now? No! That was my cupcake! Oh, Majin Buu! I am so triggered right now! Huh? After part 1 and part 2, part 3 will come if... Read description. If Kefla Payback will reach 1 million views. Oh, I see. So, to see the conclusion, Kefla Payback has to get 1 million views. No fair, no fair, no fair! I want to see more! Oh, so rude! Maybe you all could do me a little favor so we can see the exciting conclusion. Could you maybe go watch the Kefla Payback video? 'Cause if you don't, I will gobble you up whole.
A huge thank you to all of my Patreons who helped make this video possible. Some of my Patreons are also content creators. Check out their social media links in the description below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and enable the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Also, whilst you're here, why not check out some other videos on my channel?